Menopause is a natural transition for all women. It usually starts between the ages of 45 and 55. During this time, estrogen levels drop sharply. This causes many changes in the body and mind. One of the most common symptoms is hot flashes. Your face suddenly feels very warm. You might also sweat a lot at night. These are signs of temperature regulation issues. According to the NIH, over 75% of menopausal women experience these symptoms. About 1/3 say it disrupts their daily life. Some women feel sudden chills. They become more sensitive to cold. This happens because the hypothalamus in the brain becomes more sensitive. Lower estrogen affects how your body controls temperature. Your heart might start racing for no reason. This is called heart palpitations. Your heartbeat may feel irregular. You might feel dryness in your mouth. Your gums may weaken and bad breath may appear. This happens because your mucous membranes get drier. Hormone changes affect your oral health too. Digestion can slow down. You may feel bloated or become constipated. This is due to reduced bowel movement. Your skin may feel dry and lose elasticity. You may notice more wrinkles and sagging. One study found that women lose 30% of collagen within 5 years after menopause. Vaginal dryness is also common. Sex drive may decrease. Many women avoid intimacy because of discomfort. Urinary tract infections may happen more often. You may need to urinate more frequently. Mood swings can also increase. You might suddenly feel anxious or sad. It may become hard to focus or remember things. That's why your diet is very important. Food can be a powerful tool to protect your body. First, eat more soy. Soy contains isoflavones, a plant-based estrogen. A Harvard study showed that women who ate soy twice a day had 26% fewer hot flashes. Second, eat fatty fish. Salmon and mackerel are rich in omega-3. They support heart health and help stabilize your mood. Third, eat greens like broccoli and spinach. They are full of calcium and antioxidants. They support bones, skin, and digestion. Fourth, include yogurt and cheese. They provide vitamin D and probiotics. These support gut health and boost immunity. Fifth, eat berries and pomegranate. They are rich in anthocyanins and ellagic acid. These help your brain and slow skin aging. Food is only part of the picture. Daily habits are just as important. Start with sleep. Try to go to bed before 11 p.m. Get some sunlight during the day. Avoid napping and reduce caffeine. Exercise regularly. Go for walks, try yoga, or do Tai Chi. The Mayo Clinic recommends 150 minutes of aerobic activity per week. Manage your stress. Try 10 minutes of meditation in the morning. Breathe deeply and slowly. Talk to someone about your feelings. Let your emotions out. Menopause is not a disease. It is a normal part of life. If you prepare well, it can be a time of renewal. Good food, gentle movement, restful sleep, and emotional care These 4 things can protect your health and happiness. This video provides general health information. It does not replace medical advice or treatment. If your symptoms are severe or long-lasting, please consult a healthcare professional.